Hello YouTube, welcome back to today's video. This is 26 Tango Mike 062. Check it out, got a new radio to play with. Let's unbox it and see what this thing can do. This is a CRT smini multi-norms CB radio. See what's in the box and we're doing an on-air test. Let's check it out. Okay, so this is a CRT smini CB mobile radio, AM FM multi-norms. So let's unbox it, see what's in the box, and we'll plug it in and see if we can get it on off the airways. I am filming this on a Sunday night, so hopefully there'll be people about tonight. So in the box, got a smaller box. So we've got the instruction manual. Don't bother reading that, it's no fun reading that, you want to work it out yourself. We've got the actual radio itself. Oh, it's got heatsink on the back. Check it out. Check that out, that don't weigh nothing at all, that's nice and light. Microphone socket, which is good, detachable mic. Squelch, auto squelch. Volume, AM/FM, 919. Oh, still got the plastic on there, lovely, because this was donated to the channel. AM/FM, channel up, down, nothing there. Nice heatsink in the back. Apparently there's a mod you can do to these. There's a wire in there you cut and it gives it 20 watts or something, and goes on 10 meters and stuff, so that'd be quite interesting to do if it's there. Version 3. Antenna socket, and you've got the extension speaker socket. Comes with a cigarette plug, but if you want to wire it to a normal power supply, just snip it off. I'm not doing that, I'm going to leave the old cigarette plug on. And what's in here? The other box. That's it. There you know. So we got a lot of mounts there, like screws, rear bracket screws, that sort of stuff. Mic bracket, it's always handy. Got the microphone itself. Now the microphone, similar to a Midland I had. I had a Midland, can't remember the model number, but it was a small tiny Midland, might have been a 98 or one of them ones, and it's a similar microphone to that. Seems okay, and it's detachable, which is good because a lot of these modern radios, tiny ones like this, haven't got detachable microphones. And we got the rig bracket. Could have made the rig bracket black. So let's plug it in and see what it can do. So there's my aerial to the outside world. And there's the power lead, which we're going to unwire. Come on, why is that not coming out? That's it. We're going to plug that straight into my Linko power supply. And we're going to get the microphone. Plug it in the front. Yeah. Okay, that's something to prop it up with. What we're going to use. Get it on this box here. There we go. It's on a box there, and inside that box, you see that? All my Commodore Amiga stuff. Yeah, the IDE interface of an Amiga. What machine? Right. So let's turn the radio on. What else? We had the power supply on. Duh. It's defaulting to EU. So, middle one gives us the channel, we can go up and down. So it's FM, AM, and you got your auto squelch, squelch off, squelch on. There's your channel switches, go up and down. Let's go to channel 19 UK. So we turn it off, we hold the up button down. It's flashing EU, we can go through the bands. UK, turn it off, turn it back on again. Should give us the UK. Go to channel 19, see what's about. Okay, so in the UK mode, switching it to AM gives us EU. So if you wanted EU AM, you have to go to the EU band. So we go back to 3.5 is always busy. That's the Jake Net, whatever it is. Let's go channel 19. How about it, Rubik Cube? Do you copy? How about it, Cube? You on this 1.9?
Yeah, it is. Hello, mate.
Roger, Bray. How's the radio sound?
Good. Actually, really. What can I say? Good. That's all. Good signal, and perhaps my tone could be adjusted, but apart from that, it sounds good.
Okay, this is a CRT smini. What's it? What's the signal coming for it? The usual.
Yeah, 4 scale on my meter.
There's no meter this way, but you're clear radio 5. Can we do another test on EU?
Yeah.
Alright, go channel 19, EU band, so it's 27 185, and on FM then we'll switch it to AM.
Okay then, 27 185.
185, channel 19, see that? So the radio goes off, radio's off, hold up down, let it flash, go through the bands, so you've got DE, IN, EU, CE, UK, PL, 12. So I want EU. Off the radio goes. On the radio goes. Let's go up to 19. 1.9 a copy.
I copy.
How's the radio sound on this frequency, Rob?
It sounds a little bit quieter and not as full as in audio as what it did on the other frequency.
Okay, I'm going to switch it to the AM and see what it sounds like on AM.
Okay.
A little bit more interference on AM. Yeah, 1.9 a copy. How's it sounding now, Robert? Any different? Probably is.
Oh, you sure it is. It sounds a lot clearer. A little bit of hiss, but a very slight bit of hiss, should I say, but a lot clearer.
Yeah, the AM on this one sounds beautiful. Like in the like on my ICOM. The AM sounds good on this. I'm liking this one. You'll hear it when the video goes online.
Yeah, this isn't a broadcast station. This is the multi-band radio station.
Yep, on the smini. Okay, Cube. Thanks for the old quick QSO there. What's the signal like just before I go bid you 7.3?
Yeah, just fluctuating off the full signal down to about 5 or 10 over 9.
Lovely, lovely. So it's working a treat. Cheers for that, Cube.
Okay, mate. Speak to you later. Mate, just for the info, hang on, I'll break out at the moment and I'll come back when you're ready.
Yeah, okay there, Cube. Wow. So yeah, let's turn this down a bit. Not too bad. Working a treat, this radio so far. AM sounds really, really good. I'm pleased with the old AM on that. Right, so there we go. The CRT smini mobile CB radio. I'm really liking the AM on this. I'll have to go on the old AM net on a Tuesday. See what it sounds like with other stations a bit more further away. So Cube was about a mile and a half away from my QTH. I'd like to say thank you very much for watching this video. And I'll see you in the next one. This is 26 Tango Mike 062. 7-3.